Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 1st of February. And first of all, national news. Ahead of budget, Chief Advisor said keep finances tight to keep loan rates low. Fewer new accounts for share trading opened this year, market volatility a factor. PM Cares Fund, a charitable trust not controlled by government, sent to Delhi court. Money laundering information can't be sought from organizations exempt under RTI. Armed forces can act against their officers for adultery, Supreme Court. Gujarat bridge tragedy, boss of renovation firm surrendered in court. Arvind Kejriwal's party to contest all seats in Karnataka election. Supreme Court to hear requests challenging electoral bond scheme in March. World acknowledging India's tough stand on terrorism, President MURMU. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met as chairman of Joint Chiefs of Staff. Jammu-Srinagar highway shut for second day due to landslide. India's defense exports rose 6 times due to new initiatives. President. India-US tech meet will accelerate strategic partnership. White House. And now international news. UK retail giant Tesco to fire 2,000 as inflation hikes cost. Beijing has hit temporary herd immunity, China health official. Strongly condemned attack. India condoled deaths in Pakistan mosque blast. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met as chairman of Joint Chiefs of Staff. 7 US cops suspended, 3 firefighters fired over fatal beating of black man. US South Korea to hold tabletop exercise on nuclear threats. Over 1,000 US flights cancelled due to winter storm. Biden said US won't send Fighter 16 fighter jets to Ukraine amid war. Now sports news. MS Dhoni named most selfless player in IPL history by former stars. Sadio Mane returned to training with ball in Munich. The 2023 ODI World Cup will be hosted by India. Give him chance in Shubman Gill's place, ex-Pakistan star advocated for Prithvi Shaw versus New Zealand. Now, news related to business. Indian economy's recovery from pandemic complete, Chief Economic Advisor said. Indian firms raised rupees 5.06 trillion in 8 months economic survey. Core sector production rose at 3-month high of 7.4%. India's fiscal deficit for April to December reached 60% of full-year target. Rupee could remain under depreciation pressure due to widening CAD. Economic survey. India's GDP growth to slow down to 6.8% forecast economic survey. IMF lifted growth in developing nations to 4.0% in 2023. Inflation in India likely to fall to 5% in 2023, 4% in 2024, IMF. Bangladesh got $4.7 billion IMF loan. Pakistan, Sri Lanka still waiting. News from Science and Technology. Earth on track to cross 1.5 degrees Celsius in next decade. Study predicted using artificial intelligence. Researchers discovered that electrons play a surprising role in heat transfer between layers of semiconductors. And get ready for liftoff inside NASA's SpaceX Crew 6 mission to the ISS. And that's all in news. Thank you.